Get your milk. Get out, Miley. You don't want to feed him, so I'm going to. No, Miley. Go on, Miley. They're enjoying their milk now. Kayla, call Miley. Come on out. You make me mad. You can sit in here, but you're not going to stick your head in there, because I know what you're going to do. Stick your head in there. That's right. There you go. Oh, you didn't do it far enough. There you go. There you go. Come on, babies. Here. Okay. Stick your head in there. There you go. See? Here, you can do it. Come on. Do it. There you go. Come on. There you guys go. Come over to the bowl. Come on, Max. Come on, Max.
Nicole has just won the veto and secured her spot in the final four. That's further than when she played the first time around, which was outplayed by our next guest. Please say hello to season 16 winner Derek Lavasser.
Milo. Milo.